3 minutes remaining. Is Lagang Ilang 3 minutes away for their first ever semi-final encounter. Shot clock at 8. Oduka. Shot clock at 4. Oduka will drive. Oduka with a pass!
Oh, what a pass there para kay Ernesto Oduka. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, partner, parang si Chris Paul itong si Ernesto Oduka sa Lagang Ilang.
Every team seems going right for Lagang Ilang, and it seems like they can waste away the time. And that will be the very first instance of an 8-second backcourt violation. They can afford that. But look at this replay, partner.
And partner, itong Likwaan Bahay, they look exhausted right now. Talagang mukhang pagod na sila ngayon.
And Kit Jimenez, even his layup is missing. And that takes the cake out of Likwaan Bahay. And Wilkin Lee, he will not score. Wisely, will chew up the clock. And we are about to approach the twilight zone. And almost certainly, Lagang Ilang will book a ticket to the quarters. And this last 2 minutes is brought to you by Solid North Party List, Turismo, Trabajo, Progreso. Well, you know, with this 3-point preliminaries, as a consolation, at least Likwaan Bahay did their very best for the first 3 quarters by. What can you say?
Partner, medyo maaga lang yung rito pag-surrender nitong team ng Likwaan Bahay. Hindi pa nila binigay yung todo, but morally, if you will see, talagang this is a surrender na para sa Likwaan Bahay.
When we come back, we're going to have some post-game analysis with Brian as we wind up this first quarterfinal matchup. Welcome back, and Brian, ituloy natin yung discussion natin sa ating post-mortem analysis because this is already a certain win para sa Lagang Ilang. As a reflection, as a coach, if you are coach of Likwaan Bahay, for the next season, paano mo palalakasin pa ang Likwaan Bahay?
Mukhang hindi na ako magko-coach if I were the coach today. Yun lang, partner. Dahil this is a disappointing loss para sa Likwaan Bahay. Unang-una, maaga pa kanina. It's an early surrender, partner. Mahaba pa yung oras, 5 minutes. And itong Lagang Ilang making a run. And we're surprised that there's no, kumbaga, reorganize sa team ng Likwaan Bahay.
And for the record, so far, itong si Wilkin Lee, he has scored 18 points all in this quarter. What a fourth quarter performance by Wilkin Lee. Kumbaga partner siya ang one-man wrecking crew para sa Lagang Ilang.
And partner, I am surprised about the players ng Likwaan Bahay. They are going na sa dugout. And it's a show of surrender na para sa team.
And of course, next season for sure, Likwaan Bahay will bolster its roster. As we wind down to 90 seconds for Lagang Ilang, the first team to book the Final Four for this season.
Pero partner, ito si Kit Jimenez still on the bench. Talagang he's still waiting to end this game, partner. That's a true player, partner.
And that's a true professional.
Oo, kumbaga sa sundalo, lumaban tayo sa simula, hanggang matapos, sama-sama tayo. Ganun.
Correct.
That's the right attitude, partner. That's why I commend Kit Jimenez.
That's right.
By standing sa kanyang team.
60 seconds. And Lagang Ilang wisely waste that 24 seconds for a violation.
And I think that will seal the deal para sa team ng Lagang Ilang. And of course, congratulations, they going to the top 4 nitong ating playoff round. And what a performance here para kay Wilkin Lee and also etong si Ernesto Oduka. And also yung kanilang mga supporting cast, itong si Jaco Yohoy,
yes,
and Miguel Agulto.
At maraming mga Facebook fans sa Angona na talagang tuwang-tuwa sa performance ni Yohoy. And ito na, they're emptying their benches now. This is now the third 5 para sa pinabayaan na lang mga
And I
score.
think, partner, itong ano nila, pampaswerte, itong si Mer Castañeda.
Oh.
Oo. He's one of the veterans sa team na to.
Sabi ng coach, itira mo na. Naiiyan naman si Atienda sa coaching staff.
Oo, it's a show of respect.
Show of respect.
Pero
Definitely.
mukhang ititira niya nga ito.
Malayo. Alright, they have conceded, and ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Lagang Ilang, first team, and their first appearance, semi-finals. Final score natin, 63-80, nanalo Lagang Ilang. And for sure, si Wilkin Lee na naman ang kumana para sa Lagang Ilang, partner.
And of course, partner, this game will not be possible. Una sa lahat, pasalamatan natin ang ating Kong Mayor JB Bernos, sila Congresswoman Ching Bernos for supporting this beautiful Solid North Party List Cup.
Kami ni Brian Mande at ang yours truly Ryan para magbabalik para sa ating 3 more quarterfinal matchup. This is Solid North Party List Cup Quarterfinals.